The law is now on the side of Georgia homeowners, not squatters. A recent Fox 5 I-Team case highlighted how bad the problem in the state was when a man selling his home found strangers inside. Police told him there was nothing they could do. The Fox 5 I-Team's Dana Fowle has followed this for a while now.
Yeah, and I think for so many people who have rental property or people selling their homes, this newly signed Squatter Reform Act, it's absolutely huge. Late last month, Governor Kemp signed into law rights that would protect the homeowner, not the people, sometimes whole families who just move into property, change the locks, and refuse to leave. We talked before its passage to one of the bill's sponsors, that's Rep. Devin Seaball of Marietta, and he told us how the Squatter Reform Act will help by forcing those claiming to be leaseholders to prove it, but in a timely manner.
What we've done in this bill is we've changed the jurisdiction to magistrate court, a non-jury trial, to expedite that. If they present a lease, they have 3 days to present that lease to the court. The court has 7 days to make a determination if that's a good lease or a fake lease.
Now, here's an exclusive Fox 5 I-Team story where armed federal marshals removed this man from another person's home, but not for squatting. That wasn't why they kicked him out. The real homeowner was told by local police to take him to court, which is a very lengthy process. It wasn't until a federal warrant was executed for child trafficking-related offenses did law enforcement actually physically remove him. But under the new law, things are designed to happen much more quickly. Not months, not years, but days. And we're going to be watching this develop over the next year to see how it's working.
Yeah, and people appreciate it. And it sounds like congratulations are in order because this report just received an Emmy nomination.
It certainly did, and this is because of our team. As you know, these things are teams, editors, photojournalists, producers. We were all nominated for our presentation of this event. A man trying to sell his home, calling us for help. And when we were there, an unexpected arrest was made, all caught on tape, as they say, team effort. And most importantly, the homeowner got his home back and was able to sell it in days after that.
And it's an issue that happens across multiple states. I've heard of this happening in Illinois, so maybe this will set a precedent.
And this is, I think, really important to note about this. One of the reasons, well, it's your home, and you should have access to your home, but you use the phrase, and this is the exact phrase, generational wealth. And that's not by being a land titan. This is how people create income for their families. This is how you get a savings account. You get that first apartment, that first home, and if you're in a position to be able to rent it when you buy your next one, this creates income for families, and you can't have this taken away from you.
And potential financial freedom.
Yes.
That everyone hopes for.
That's right.
Dana, thank you.